me. So, ito na yung Karyalan Paiste natin, guys. Na rabbit. I think this is very soft. Ayan o, natatanggal talaga sa buto. Yeah. So, this is our lunch for today. Sisip-sipin namin ni Nico yung buto, guys. Kasi matamis ang karne ng rabbit. Yan, mga unta, guys. And we will pair this one with potatoes. And we have a little bit of the mushroom left. Yan, mga unta.
Hello. Today I can make this deer head. It's look a little harsh now, rough, but my plan is to boil it so all the soft tissues go out. So it's just a skull and put on the wall. It was like 8 horns. So when I get it, I think that no, I'm not gonna throw this away. Just keep it. So I try to finish it. I buy this skull like whitening. There's like a water-based, but I buy something like grease or something, maybe old toothbrush or something. And I spread that and let's see, is it working? But it's start a little bit warm up, so we can now just wait what will happen. There's a fire. I looking for like a pot, and I wondering that where I get this something where I can boil this, and then I find this. So I find this wheeled barrow, old. Could be maybe used. It's just I need the new axle there, a tire. But this is something like model. I don't know how old this is. That maybe it can make still like working, but I think that I use it for this purpose because actually it's fit there very well. So I don't need to start cutting buckets or anything. I have a 2-wheel barrow already what I can use, so this is just for lucky to find it. But let's see how is it cooking there. Hello. Now it has been boiled there in the bucket about 2 times. I clean it after first cooking, and then I put it back. It was there quite long. I don't know how long these kind usually need to be there, but I think it's better have a little bit over than too little, but it was still lots of work to clean it. I saw a video that they make like high pressure these water washing jets to clean it, but I don't have that, so everything need to be like manually, and I didn't have very good tools of that. But next process is put this vetyperoxide there. It's and I cut it like manually, try to get it as straight as possible, and there should be no lots of these soft tissues anymore. So I think it's okay. It just need to put this whitening grease. But let's see. Let's put that. Okay, it's now put there, so it's say that waiting full, is it 24 hours or something, 12 to 24 hours to do the job. So let's put it there waiting, and let's see, is it change anything.
Ay, kaganda man yan, oy. Oy, ka-pretty man yan, oy. Very good man yan. I just finished drinking milk. You told them what you did. You poo-poo. No, first, she had a nap. And then, she poo-poo. And then, drink the milk. And then, now we are here. And I think another poo-poo is coming. Viva!
Sulla on jo semmonen puristusvoima sormissa. Se puristet kovaa jo. Onpa ihmeellistä. Aurinkokin paistaa. Kuka sen käynnistää sen auringon? Joka aamu se somebody press the switch. Mistä se tuli? Where they get the fuel? En ymmärrä.
Another day guys dito sa countryside. So meron akong mixture dito ng egg, curd, vanilla, and ano ba yung nilagay ko? Sugar. Tapos yung corn flour. Corn flour? What is corn flour? That is not corn. Cornstarch. And then I have here frozen berries. Meron tayo ditong raspberries, blueberries, tapos itong pie crust for making blueberry pie. But today I'm gonna mix it with raspberries. So lahat ito guys, kami ang nagpick nito. Ito, pinik namin sa forest. Tapos ito doon sa farm last year. Ito na yung last na raspberry na nasa ganitong container. So, kailangan natin siyang gamitin para makakapag-pick na naman tayo ng panibago this year for until next year na storage namin ng mga food or mga berries. So, ilulutuin ko lang to, tapos mamaya guys, punta kami ng Tokmani kasi gusto kong bumili ng grilling. Ano yun? Basta yung pagsubahanan ba? Meron kasi kami pero masyadong maliit and sumasakit ang likod ko guys. After ko nanganak, hindi ko kaya na nakayuko ako palagi or masyadong mababa sa akin yung posisyon ng griller namin or yung ihawan namin. So bibili ako today something mura lang naman, hindi naman yung mahal kasi ayaw ko rin yung tawag nito yung griller na gas. Gusto ko yung charcoal. So, assemble ko lang to, tapos ilagay ko siya sa oven. Sarah is andito guys. Oy, umiyak yan. Don't cry baby. Mommy is here now. So, yung pie guys, yung berry pie is andun na sa oven. So, ito talaga isa sa mga reason na hindi kami makakapag-video na maayos kasi meron tayong maliit, oh. Uy, kawawa yan. Don't cry, Pipi Love, uy. Pag yun, nagkadimaw, itsuras inahanaan ni guys. Pero sige lang. Patulogin ko muna to guys kasi antok na to. Kita nyo sa likod ko. Ano yan? Mga seedlings yan guys para sa planting this summer. Luto na yung blueberry raspberry pie guys. Sobrang bango. Ang ganda. Parang uulan guys. Sobrang gray ng langit. Tingnan nyo dito sa amin guys. Wala na yung mga puno. Ang plan ni Nico guys is hindi na yan siya tatamnan daw dyan ng puno. But tataniman namin siya ng something na perennials na magiging part na siya ng garden talaga. Kasi mahirap kasi yung mga puno na ganito na malalaki siya guys. Tapos pagputulin mo siya ba, it will take a lot of time talaga para alagaan din yung mga puno and maglinis kapag after ng cutting. So andito na pala yung tractor, dala na ni Nico, tsaka yung pangkat ng firewood and yung mga logs andyan. So yung isang truck pa na kailangan is yung pang-lift naman ng mga logs kasi mabigat kasi hindi man yung pwede manually na buhatin. Ito na yung binili namin na ihawan guys. Ganito lang ang gusto ko kasi ayaw ko nung malaki. Para ito guys, mura lang. Kapag hindi siya nag-swak sa panlasa ko, okay lang sa akin na i-dispose. Kasi kapag bumili ako ng mahal, tapos minsan lang naman namin gamitin sa isang taon. Pag summer lang naman. Kaya okay lang na ganito. Tapos gusto ko yung charcoal grill talaga. Ang ganda na yung ihawa na ganyan. At least hindi na siya na andun sa ground talaga. At least naka-elevate na siya. Hindi nasasakit yung likod ko. Oh, gusto ko tong ihawan na nabili ko guys. Kasi kasya lahat yung mga na-marinade ko na chicken breast. Chicken breast ang binili ko kasi yun yung pinakamura as of the moment. So next time try ko yung meron na talaga siyang bone. Yung ano, picho o kaya yung other part ng chicken. But so far so good naman itong griller na to. Si Anika pala is andun sa trampoline guys. Nasira pala yung trampoline niya pero pwede naman niyang i-welding ni Nico yung isang part na nasira. Pero pwede pa naman siya magamit. Safe pa naman. Guys, umuulan ng styrofoam. Maliliit na ano, butil ng ice. Oh my gosh. Yan yun. Yan oh, maliliit siya na butil ng ice, yung bilog-bilog. Hindi naman siya malalaki na hills. Pero malalaki pa rin. Tingnan yan, dito sa damit ko. Kita siguro. How was the grill, Daddy?
Very good.
Yeah. Hindi na namin napakita sa inyo guys. Kumain na kami. Sobrang sarap. Sarah is there.
CCTV.
Ah, it's a CCTV?
Stop. There's nothing.
Ay, ay, ay.
Just stop there. There's mommy. You're observing. The eyes are not straight. Tää en tiedä mikähän tää on. Joku kukkanen vai mikä tää on? Tää on varmaan lumihiutale.
Third day in the countryside guys. Gawa tayo ng cookies. Para meron kaming snacks. Kailangan lang breastfeeding mom ng maraming snacks guys. Para di magutom. Kailangan ko ng maraming snacks guys kasi alam niyo naman pag breastfeeding you need to have extra calories. But hindi naman sweets palagi ang snacks ko. I always eat a lot of fruits. May salad din, ganyan. So, today, nagluto ako ng adobong baka. Ginaya ko lang yung ginagawa ng ate ko. Yung ate ko na nasa Australia. Sabi ko meron din akong beef and ginawa ko siyang adobo din, kagaya ng pagkagawa niya. So, tinanong ko lang yung ingredients na ginamit niya. Nilagyan niya daw ng coconut and coconut milk, capsicum yata, ang paprika, tapos toyo, suka, tapos pinan-fry lang sandali, tapos garlic. So, yun lang din ang ginawa ko. Ito na siya guys. Hiniwa ko lang siya ng maninipis para mabilis siyang maluto. And meron pa kaming chicken from yesterday. And yung aming blueberry raspberry pie. So, ang dami ko nang naluto na food. So, definitely, this will last until Tuesday. Kasi yung chicken, guys, feeling ko hanggang today lang yun. And sobrang sarap nung chicken. But I don't know kung papasa yun kay Elisa. Kasi si Elisa, she's from Bacolod, Iloilo na area. So, mas alam niya talaga yung authentic na inasal na flavor. Kaya nag-message ako sa kanya kung may work pa siya. Bibigyan ko siya ng chicken. Ipapatikim ko sa kanya para pag nag-camping kami, yun na lang din yung lutuin namin. Gagawa kami ng grilled chicken and pork para sa mga friends namin. Kasi sa camping na darating sa summer, meron kaming mga scheduling. May nakatoka sinong gagawa ng food for dinner, breakfast, lunch, and rest of the meals during the camping para may hati-hati kami ng trabaho. So, si Nico is andito guys. Naghahasa ng kanyang chainsaw. Nakikinig ng phone din about what are you listening, Daddy? What are you listening?
Tää on semmonen, mikä se on podcast, semmonen
About
interview. Se on about
so Christian life. Something.
No ei tää, jos se on semmonen court, mikä on asianajaja, semmonen if you're
Law? Something like that?
nee, something, it's support you into court.
Okay.
It's driving your case.
And then, si Sarah guys is andoon sa Vauno. Natutulog kasi galing lang sila sa labas guys. Nilakad ni Nico si Sarah para makatulog. Ani guys, andito sa kwarto niya guys. Naglalaro yan. Nagta-tablet. Si Pimo andito sa bed niya. Tulog. Naman andito sa kusina guys, nagluluto, nanonood ng video ni Ivan. Bumalik siya sa India. Subscribe kayo kay Ivan de Guzman guys. He's such a lovely, nice guy. Yeah. Nanood ako ng video niya habang nagluluto, tapos nag-bake din ng cookies. Ito na yung cookies natin. Ayun ko lang ito na maluto. And meron na tayong additional snacks. So, yun na yung ating cookies guys. Almost done na siya. Tingnan nyo to guys. Punong-puno. Sobrang daming damit. Sobrang daming damit doon guys sa na tawag nito, yung containers. Spring kasi 'di ba? So mga tao dito nagre-recycle talaga 'yan, and since seasonal yung mga damit namin dito, yung mga spring clothes or yung mga damit ng mga bata from last year na hindi nakasya, or yung mga damit nila during winter na hindi na nila gusto, nilalagay nila dyan sa UF. Kami din, ganyan din ang ginagawa namin. Actually, today, dumaan kami ng Kirpis or dun sa Ukay-Ukayan para mamili ng damit para kay Sarah tsaka kay Anika. So, nakabili ako ng isang toy. Ito na. Maganda siya kasi ipo-pull down mo siya tapos meron siyang music. Ayan. So, dito ko siya sasabit sa dito sa ni Sarah guys. Sa kanyang sa tawag nito, car seat, para meron siyang tingnan kapag andito kami sa loob ng car. Grabe yung mga damit dun, sobrang dami. Pero of course, di mo pwedeng kunin yan guys kasi nilagay yun ng mga tao doon for recycling para sa OOF, and yung OOF sila naman yung magre-recycle nun, ibebenta nila yon ulit, lahat ng mga gamit na pwede pang mabenta. And then yung income nun is i-donate nila usually sa mga organizations na sinusuportahan nila.
Valot ja lelut ja... Entäs seura? Onks company hyvä myös?
She knows how to play her balloon now. Have you had a Ilma Palo when you were little?
No ei. Mun mielestä tällaiset tuli paljon myöhemmin. Meillä oli semmonen inflated system. Like rubber.
Alright guys, good day! Nalagyan ko ng cream dito si Sarah sa forehead niya guys kasi parang nag-start na naman yung parang baby rash ba. Ayan. Tapos grabe guys, sobrang active ng bata na to. Ay, active na yan. Active na yung baby ni mommy. Yeah. Say hi to our friends. Hi friends. How are you? We missed you. We've not been posting a lot. Mommy is not able to do a lot of work because I am very demanding. No, very little but needs a lot of help all the time. No, but it's okay. Mommy was able to spend time with you and Daddy, no? Yeah, sorry talaga guys. Hindi talaga kami nakakapag-vlog ng marami. But yeah, Sarah was very active. She's always active guys. Grabe. And today, nag-start na siyang humagikik. Ay, yung tawa na talaga ba? Uy, grabe mo kasi pa yung mga paa niya, no? Dude. And she's already wearing a 2 months old now. 2 months pa siya, guys, ha? She is already wearing 6 to 9 months old clothes. Kasi yung mga 2 months old na clothes, guys, sobrang masikip na sa kanya. Yeah? Ang bilis lumaki ang baby ni Mami, no? No, very active, no? Sobrang lakas na nitong sumipa. Tapos itong socks niya rin, guys, si Elisa nagbigay nito. 6 to 12 months daw ito. Oh, Nike pa yan. Bigay ni Tita Elisa. Suot niya na, guys. Saka siya naman sa kanya. Pwede naman masuot. Pasuot na natin. Kaya para masulit, no? Para masulit. So, we're going outside because we're going to barbecue. Because today is Vappupäivä. Hauska vappua kaikille. It's May Day in Finland. 1st of May or Labor Day. And everybody's celebrating that one here. We eat monkey. We grill. We eat good food, isn't it? But we'll just eat like simple one at home. And we'll go out later for coffee shop there in Soskikartano so we can eat monkey. You got your balloon yesterday? Katingin siya. Chika, 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 chika. Maglalagay tayo ng pants kay Sarah guys kasi lalabas tayo. Papatulugin natin siya doon sa labas. Habang magba-barbecue kami. Isn't it? We're going out. We're going out. Let's put a little bit warmer clothes. Isn't it? Kita niyo ba siya guys? Pag tumawa siya. Kasi pag kaharap niya yung nanay niyang nakakatawa yung mukha kasi palaging walang suklay si mama. No. Mommy doesn't comb her hair anymore. Mommy doesn't have time. No, it's okay. As long as you are okay, right? Ni. Ay! Ay! Hindi makawala ng problema yan. No. Sarah is a very good therapy. Isn't it? Sarah helps mommy and daddy to smile every day. Yeah. Ay! Ah! You're going to start huggy cake now? Oh my God, it's May 1 and you start doing huggy cake? Very soon you're going to be 3 months. 5 days to go. Yeah, and then you're going to be 3 months old. Yeah, time flies so fast. Mommy is getting sad now. Oh, mommy's postpartum. Oh my God, you're growing so fast. Don't be in a hurry to grow so fast. Okay? Yeah. Did you see Mamanggi's gift earlier? You will see Mamanggi soon, no? Mamanggi will play with you that cards that has sounds. Yeah. Now you like? You like playing? Oh, Sarah likes playing a lot now, guys. She likes playing a lot. Yeah, the balloon yesterday was so good, right? Yeah, let's put this one. And then we put a little bit warmer clothes because baby usually feel colder right away. You guys feels cold right away. So we need to protect that. We need to keep you warm all the time. Yeah. Let's go out? Oh, yes. Are you excited to go out? Yeah. And then you will sleep in the pram. Mommy will grill. Daddy will walk you around there in the yard, okay? Aray. Sipo niya si mommy niya. Say hi to our friends. Hi, friends. Hi. Hi, friends. We are really sorry we couldn't post a lot of videos for you guys because mommy is so busy, no? Sarah needs a lot of attention all the time. Isn't it? Oh. Okay, let's go out now. Let's go. Dito si Nico sa labas, guys. You can take off the cover. Otherwise, the top of the cover will be very dark. Yeah. I think she will not. So, dito na tayo sa labas, guys. Oh, actually, it's very warm today. It's like a tapay-tapay already. Oh. Sobrang init na, guys, sa labas. Is it working? Yeah, so dito tayo mag-grill, guys. Susugba ako ng baboy. So, init na talaga. So, today, mag-gardening din ako. And itatanim ko na yung mga ibang plants sa labas. And yung mga tanim na nasa loob, ilalabas ko na rin sila doon sa greenhouse para mas mabilis na silang tumubo kasi sobrang sunny na ngayon and hindi na magkakaroon ng frost. So, was it Monday? We had our last frost and that was it. So, hintayin ko lang tong uling na mag-apoy para mag-start ako mag-grill. Tapos si Nico and Sarah maglalakad-lakad sila dito para makatulog siya. Papaayos ko kay Nico yung bintana ng greenhouse, guys, kasi nilipad kasi yan ng hangin nung winter. Dali lang naman siya i-connect. So, magtatanim na ako today sa mga pots, guys, yung mga containers na ganyan. And I think yung mga containers ililipat namin doon banda para walang containers dito. Tapos yung sa gilid ng dyan sa may baba, kung saan yung may mga lava, ay tawag niyan, Turkey lava kasi tawag niyan. Yung mga pallets ba, lalagyan ko rin dyan ng wood chips para hindi magkaroon ng mga damo. Sobrang mainit na guys, hindi na kailangan mag-jacket today. Ito na yung aming pork guys, na barbecue. Hindi ko na tinuhog, tinamad na talaga ako guys, saka wala na talagang oras din. But it's okay, ganyan na lang yan. Tapos, grill pa sana ako ng sausage, pero wag na lang siguro. Next time na siguro, bukas na lang. Tapos nilalabas na rin ni Nico dito yung mga tanim guys, para mainitan sila. Kasi, pwede na silang sa labas. Ayan. Ay, salamat Lord. Makatanim na talaga tayo. Dadagdagan pala namin yan ng wood chips dyan guys. Kasi kulang yung nalagay namin last year. Around ng mga boxes na white. Wala pa yung wood chips. May mga damo na tumutubo. So ayoko nang merong damo. Para hindi ako mahirapan maglinis. Para mas malinis din siya tingnan din. Ayusin pa namin yan. But for now, unahin natin itong ating lunch. So, yun na yung ating pork barbecue. Makain si Pimo ng grass, guys. Is it sweet, Pimo? Daddy, how does it feel? No need to wear a jacket.
After winter, it's fine.
It's good?
But don't enjoy it too long. Summer it's not very long here.
It's not.
So you need to enjoy it.
Ask Nico guys, why Vapo or this May Day very important for Finns?
I don't know where it starts, but it's a labor's party. And then usually it's like students, if you have mikä se on semmoinen päästä lukioon se high school.
In the university usually.
A university.
Yeah.
So those guys usually
They make
celebrate.
they make a big party there in Helsinki or in the big cities in Finland. Usually in Helsinki there's like this capping of that statue in Helsinki.
Oh.
Yeah. Mo is there waiting if she can get her part. Daddy. Dating na yung in-order ko na wood chips guys. Kasi ilalagay namin doon sa garden. So, dineliver na dito ng kapitbahay namin din na nagbebenta ng wood chips. So, 2 cubic meters ang in-order ko na wood chips. Yan na yung in-orderan ko guys. So, ito na guys yung wood chips na in-order ko. Kasi guys, kung bibili ako nito sa store, yung 1 bag, which is like very small amount lang, parang mahal masyado. Nakalimutan ko magkano sa store. Pero ito na may wood chips na ako guys. So ilalagay natin yan doon sa garden. So isa ito sa mga tatrabahuin namin this week. Pati yung firewood namin guys. Nasimulan na rin namin yung firewood. Pero ito pa sa garden naman. So dito sa likod ng bahay guys, ganito ang itsura. Hindi pa kita talaga na merong buhay na mga tanim. So ito na yung situation ng mga berries dito guys. So ganyan pa sila. And we don't think we can harvest a lot of the berries this year kasi nga na-trim yan ni Nico last autumn. Tapos itong mga plants na andito sa likod guys, papatrim ko to kay Nico para mamulaklak sila ulit. Kasi matanda na yung mga stalks nila guys na andoon. Maganda kasi to na pangharang din ba, at least hindi masyado kita yung bahay doon sa road. So yan na yung ating wood chips. Si Sarah guys is andito natutulog. Ito na yung lunch namin guys. Wala kaming snacks dito sa bahay ngayon. I mean yung dessert. Kasi nakain lang kami nung donut doon sa Koskikarta na to. Meron tayo ditong sima. Ito yung usual drink na iniinom kapag Vappu Päivä dito sa Finland. Mga unta! It's the ones that Elisa gave, the clothes, the shirt and the socks. It's actually for 6 to 9 months. You're not even 3 months old, but it fits on you already. Yeah. Yeah, busog na busog yan, guys. Kakadede lang niya. Hi! Sarah Lisa! Hi! Very active. Oh, you're kicking. Socks is really fit. It's 6 to 12 months, the socks. It fits on her already. Menan ulos kohota after coffee. Ito yung dessert dito sa Finland kapag Vappu Päivä or May Day, during Labor Day, monkey or yung fried donuts. Pero meron siyang a little bit of twist compared sa donut natin dyan sa Philippines. Kasi ito nilalagyan nila ng cardamom. So, nagpabili na lang ako kay Nico doon sa Koskikarta no guys. Kasi kung gagawa ako nito, hindi naman namin mauubos agad-agad no. So, bumili na lang kami. Andito na lang sa bahay para hindi na kami magbayad ng coffee namin. Oh, pero bumili pa rin kami ng donut. Support local pa rin. Diyan lang malapit na coffee shop sa amin. Bagong damit na naman for today. Kasi napupo man ako guys. And then, it went over. I had a blowout. Yay! Summer clothes na you. Summer clothes na you. Look at my socks. Look at my socks. This is a gift from Tita Vanji and my headband. And then yung clothes, binili namin sa ukay-ukay. Kasya na sa kanya guys yung size 68. Pero yung height niya ngayon is 62. Kasi yung 62 masyadong maliit na rin sa kanya na mga damit. She's holding the balloon.
Oversized lenta.
Sa balloon parang lenta.
Can you?
Can I see your dinosaur? Nawakan niya yung balloon niya, oh. Show me your balloon, Anika. Your Vappu Palo.
Yeah.
What is that? It's a...
Moving.
It's not a movement. It's a dinosaur. Look, Daddy. She's holding her balloon, Daddy.
Moi. Onko siellä on Sima? Ei tykkää koko ajan kiusata tommonen.